Subscribe to my channel for more videos on science and technology. You are stuck on a complex math concept. An AI tutor analyzes your past performance and recommends video explanations tailored to your learning style. What technology is at play? Personalized learning. An exam platform uses facial recognition to prevent cheating during a live online test. What technology is used? Biometric authentication. You prepare for a logic-based exam using a program that generates questions with increased difficulty based on your performance. What technology powers this? Adaptive testing. An app analyzes your voice recordings while you explain a concept to identify areas needing improvement. What technology is used for this? Speech recognition. While studying current events, a news aggregator tailors articles to your exam's syllabus and learning progress. What underlies this feature? Content curation. A mock exam simulates a real-world test environment with immersive sounds and virtual classrooms. What technology is used here? Augmented reality. An exam preparation app uses spaced repetition algorithms to optimize your revision schedule for long-term memory retention. What is this technique called? Spaced repetition. An AI analyzes your writing style in essays and suggests improvements in clarity and argument structure. What is this technology called? Natural language processing. A learning platform uses virtual assistants powered by AI to answer your questions 24/7. What technology is this? Conversational AI. An exam preparation platform leverages blockchain technology to securely store students' credentials and prevent answer key leaks. What is the benefit of blockchain? Enhanced security.